Let's head back out to Gary at Indianapolis Motor Speedway with a look at how the party of the month of May is fueling big-time energy and impact for the community.
All right, Mary Rachel, thank you. Well, you might say that Rev is the greatest spectacle in food and entertainment. A big party bringing together Indiana's best chefs, auto racing's biggest names, celebrating the month of May in Indianapolis, all culminating with thousands of Revers dancing the night away right here at the start-finish line at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. But beyond the party, there is a serious mission behind Rev. Funds raised from the event go to support Indiana University Hospital's trauma and critical care services. And Rev's impact is reaching even beyond that. Business of Health reporter Kylie Valletta has that story.
Thanks, Gary. Doctors here at IU Health Methodist noticed some of their patients were battling hunger, so they created the concept of food lockers to help. And now an IndyCar connection is adding some horsepower with protein.
We had a patient that came in for complex surgery and they only had milk in the fridge. And we discharged them home to milk in the fridge.
The patient was one of many who inspired IU Health nurses and doctors to build the Nutrition Hub.
We felt that food insecurity was the right place to work, particularly in Marion County where 30% rates of food insecurity can persist. And nutrition is the foundation of all of health.
And so we open it up and it has the groceries in there, they have their milk.
A food pantry of the future. Anyone who is battling hunger and lives in the same zip code as Methodist Hospital can use the food lockers for free. Neighbors order their groceries online and the items are loaded into the lockers, each one a mini fridge or freezer to store the freshest items. The person zaps a QR code on their phone,
and it pops open for them, and they get their food out of there.
And now a major victory for the Nutrition Hub inspired by the month of May. Good Ranchers is donating $25,000 of protein to the food lockers. That's more than 1,000 pounds of meat. The name may sound familiar. Good Ranchers sponsors Team Penske driver Scott McLaughlin, who won at Barber just last weekend. The young Texas-based company sources meat from only American farms and delivers it directly to the customer's door.
We're not mass producing, like you said, for the grocery store. We're taking a restaurant approach to where like every cut is supposed to be pristine. It's supposed to be handled with the absolute care, and coming from farms that have really great practices, pasture raised, grass fed, grain finished, high quality.
And it was a party that led to the food locker's biggest donation to date.
Rev as the party of the year really is the must have ticket in Indianapolis for any kind of event outside of the race itself, I think.
Rev raises money for the IU Health Foundation, which paid for the Nutrition Hub. Last year at Rev, Good Ranchers got to know Indy and the vision for IU Health's food lockers.
And when we heard about this Nutrition Hub, about giving people quality food in times when they really need it most, maybe a moment around a table, whatever is bringing them to that Nutrition Hub, we wanted to be a part of that.
Stocking the food lockers with top quality meat is not only a win for flavor, but also health. Good Ranchers meat has no mRNA vaccines or antibiotics.
They're going to really, really love it, and it probably will get us lots more neighbors onto the program, because when they have good things happening, they don't hesitate to spread the word.
A second storage area is already stocked, hoping to serve even more neighbors as Good Ranchers is beefing up the meat supply.
But also to have that lasting impact through the hub of family after family, meal after meal. We don't take that privilege lightly, and so we're always super excited to be a part of helping people come together and really make memories around great food.
The Nutrition Hub is serving 20 neighbors now, and there are plans to add more. And each neighbor can order up to 150 pounds of groceries per week. Gary, back to you.